guys, today I'm actually doing something a little different. I'm going to do an ice fishing video. I used to do these a couple years back. I'm not even sure how long, but they were never any good quality or anything like that. But yeah, I don't know. I've had some good ice fishing days, some poor obviously too, but figured, hey, may as well. It's a nice warm day, it's +3 today, so hopefully we'll catch some fish today, but I'll quickly show you the setup here in just a second. So this is what we're working with. I accidentally put this hole way too close to the side, but oh well, that'll work. Got the heater going on, got the sonar going on right now, not marking any fish, it looks like. Then we got the hanger for the jackets and everything. We got the chair here going on. This bag is supposed to be just for like my feet. Just an old bag or whatever. Got some bait. Got the fishing bag and the lunch kit. Got the gloves in there. But yeah, hopefully we can hammer them today. There's probably like 2.5 feet, maybe something like that. But yeah, sweet. Here's the fishing tackle. By the way, guys, where I am right now, these hooks right here, little tungsten jigs. These are what you want to be using for a little mealworm. Catch a jumbo perch. The perch here are about roughly a pound, maybe some under, maybe some over. Biggest I've caught here, I've caught two actually, about 1.5 pounds, but hopefully you can catch a couple of those today. So as you can see, guys, a fish came up on the sonar there. I was kind of screwing around with my heater, so hopefully he didn't bite, but there is fish here. Alright guys, so there's currently a fish on this, or at least trying to anyways. Just gotta wait for a good bite. They're very finicky here. If you move it while they're, going for it or whatever, if it's just still, they will leave. So right now he's kind of going back down a little bit. It's okay to give it little tiny movements, but that's about it really. Yeah, see, now he's coming back up. He saw the little bump. But see, I moved it, and now he's completely gone. Just like that. They're the most finicky things in the world here. So, that's how you can tell it's a nice big jumbo perch anyway. So when they act like that. But this is the second time he's done that, so I imagine he'll come back at some point here. I guess just gotta be patient, I don't know. I do have this rod here too, but, this is what I'm dealing with. It's very annoying. I mean, before he was actually hanging out there, this could be another pike too. I got my pike rod there for if it is pike, so I guess we'll drop that down quick. Oh, he's right on me. Yeah, it's a pike. It's a pike, guys. Here, I'll stand up. Maybe. Let's see if it'll... Oh, got him! Just a little pike. First fish of the day, though. There, we can get rid of him. Oh, and there's another fish down there. I can see it. Oh, come on. Okay, quit. There we go, guys. Just the tiniest thing ever. Oh, it's terrible lighting. Hold on. Oh, that's not very good. But yeah. Tiny pike. But, yeah, first fish of the day, I guess, so we'll get him out of here. There's another fish you can see down there, so drop this back down. I bet you that other fish is probably another pike. First fish of the day, guys. all I was using was just a little buckshot looking spoon and a minnow head. So probably took me about an hour, maybe a little over, to catch a fish. I've marked that same fish probably 4 times or so. But yeah, we'll see if I can get this guy that's down here. That'd be kind of cool. Get 2 in 1. That might be a perch, actually, that one. There's indeed another one on me right now. I don't have my camera set up properly, so I might not get this one on camera if he bites, but oh, he might have actually left now. Alright, well, I'll get this set up and we'll see. It might actually be a perch, this one. I don't know, we'll see. So I just lost a pike. I was messing with my other rod because I saw a little red mark on my sonar, and then all of a sudden I look over, my other rod's just kind of bending down straight to the hole. And so I picked it up, set the hook, brought him right to the hole, and then just before I could bring him up, he got off. So it wasn't anything big, probably about a pound. So I don't know, twice the size of the little one I caught before. But I don't know, I'm after perch, so hopefully we can get some of those. All right, guys, got another pike. Just a little one. Holy, he's going off. Yeah, I've had a few bites from perch, but nothing to bite. Holy, stop. Just on another one of these glow hooks, except for this one only has one hook on it. But yeah, it's been a bit slow. Hopefully we can get a perch. That's what I'm going for. Alright guys, so I finally caught something I wanted to. It was outside. I noticed my rod was down. It was just like that little pike. I also caught that outside, but look at that. Caught a little walleye. Right on that buckshot. This thing's doing work. Doing me real good. Nothing huge. Just a tiny little guy, but better than this pike I've been catching, so. Have a good look at him. Yeah. Awesome. Pretty stoked about that one, finally. They're just playing with me. It's annoying. He wants it bad. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. When is he gonna bite? Come on. Why? Alright, got another one. Letting it sit out there. Hold it. Close that slightly. Just a tiny little pike again. Seems like that's all I catch. But, I mean, a fish is a fish. So, yeah. Oh, that was down me. Here, yeah. There we go. One last look at him. Little pike. Oh, that was the best release I could have done possible. Great. Just watched this rod go down. Let's see if there's a fish on it. No, I don't think so. Huh. Alright, the same rod is down again. So we'll see. No, it doesn't feel like it. Third time the rod was knocked over. He actually took my bait on the third one, so I'm gonna get it set down there again, and yeah, let's catch him this time. And there we go. We got fourth time, I guess. Simmer down. I slammed up my camera. That's enough. guys can see how much water is here, but yeah, there's a substantial amount from my heater. Now we got a little lake on top of the ice. But yeah, overall pretty good day. Still fishing right now. Just gonna fish until it's dark. Hopefully we can catch one more. Alright guys, that about does it. I'm probably gonna head out here in the next couple minutes here. I ended up catching 4 and I lost one, so it would have been about 5 if I caught that guy. But yeah, not a bad day. Got for the lake. I was hoping for a perch, but oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. But yeah, all in all, good day. And let me know if you guys want any more of these ice fishing videos. You know, I've thought about it before, and there's a few times I've kind of kicked myself for not filming anyway, but